Most disasters are unpredictable, and many are unpreventable. That's why people and public entities have insurance. But what do you do when you're facing the disaster of having your insurance canceled? That was the dilemma for many city and county governments in the early 80s. And out of that crisis, Marcit was born.
We are a pool of municipalities and governmental entities that came together when we couldn't get insurance and said, since the private sector is not going to insure us, we'll insure ourselves.
We started off with 9 original members, but as we began to realize the unique benefits of self-insurance pooling, it became clear that this was a better way to go regardless of what the state of the insurance market was. And so other local governments began to hear about our success story, and they really came in droves trying to become part of this.
Self-insurance pooling is the concept of bringing together a group of organizations with similar risks and creating a pool of premiums to cover members' losses. Marcit began with a pool for workers' compensation, and it worked so well that it added property and casualty, important services for members with such unique property and liabilities.
What we do is different than probably any other type of private industry out there.
We do have an airport, we have an electric department, we have a street department, police department, water and sewer plants.
We also have a golf course, and we are putting into place a lot of parks and trails.
As we have a option for budget protection, that it will protect you from numerous deductibles if you were to have them during the year, because it will cap them in a certain amount.
More coverage was added to suit members' needs, like employee benefits with health and dental, a choice of network and plan types, and other unique plans designed for the membership.
We have a lot of older employees, and Marcit has a really good retirement program. We call it the R program. But this allows our employees, once they retire, to retain or to acquire the same benefits that we have at a very nominal price.
It's important for Marcit members to be covered for possible losses, but it's better for everyone if they can prevent them. The Marcit staff shares their expertise, and members are rewarded for good results.
Loss control is a big part of what Marcit does, and those individuals have a very good understanding of what it takes to run a safe place, what dangerous conditions are all about.
They provide training seminars, which our people like to go to because of the good meals they provide afterwards.
They do chainsaw safety, trenching and shoring, slip and falls, hiring, firing discipline.
So by simply paying the premiums towards the insurance policies, we get not only those policies, but we get all this training throughout the year. And we have Marcit staff that then comes out and does periodic inspections to make sure that we're doing this.
There is an award program for loss control. Stay with it, and there will be benefits and reduction of premiums and that sort of thing.
And Marcit is actually looking at now to, as we did on the loss control side, doing that on the health side, of actually setting up a system where it gives an incentive for communities to essentially take charge of their own health.
Marcit members have a stake in loss control as independent entities and as owners of the organization.
I encourage everyone who's a member of Marcit to participate at a committee level, to attend a board meeting.
I've been on the board, I've been a member, I've been a representative, I've been a beneficiary of the plans.
I'm actually on a subcommittee of the board. It's called the Benefits Committee.
I also serve on the work comp committee with Marcit.
We have an annual meeting every year where every single member is encouraged to come and be part of an annual meeting where we'll discuss the condition of the pool, different policy decisions, and elect the board of directors.
I think that's why I say we when I talk about Marcit.
In their own words, Marcit members will give you many reasons to join, and high on the list is personal service.
They come out to talk to us. They sit down, they ask about the kids, they ask about the problems you're having. It's like, yeah, here's somebody that cares.
I don't care much for large nameless corporations. I'd rather have people that I can get to know a little bit.
You have the opportunity to have a face with a name,
Many times I'll have a question about employee benefits and, oh, by the way, what are the limits on our general liability? The same person answers those questions for me.
Why do members feel so strongly about Marcit?
I think the insurance picture for Buckner without Marcit would be a difficult one.
Whereas with Marcit, no, those are real people and they understand what we do and how we do things and why we do things, and they try to tailor it to meet our needs.
Going out on the open market, we might be able to get a good rate the first year, but it concerns me what would happen after you're in with an insurance company.
Risk management without Marcit would be a time-consuming process of bidding in the private market, reconsidering premiums that are rising and falling continuously, unpredictability in my budget.
We had a terrific hailstorm here about a week ago, and it's estimated that we have approximately $10 million worth of damage in the community. I've already heard some discussions from people in the community that because of their losses that they're probably going to be canceled. And one of the great benefits of Marcit is, you know they're not going to cancel us because we are us.